Hi students, very good morning. Previous class we learnt phrase and class and difference between phrase and class. Previous class I gave some intro of types of phrases. Okay. Now I would like to teach types of phrases, remaining part. Okay, fine. Are you ready? Fine. Types of phrases with the example. There are 5 types of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, preposition phrase. Okay, fine. The first one, noun phrase. The phrase is focused on the noun. That is called noun phrase. For an example, my 2 wonderful dogs, the tallest building in the world, the circled word, dogs, building, or noun. So the phrase focus on the noun, that is called noun phrase. Fine. Next, verb phrase. That phrase focus on the verb. For example, couldn't go, will be working. So the focus on the only verb, main verb or actually verb. Couldn't go, will be working. So this verb focus on the verb, that is called verb phrase. Third one, adjective phrase. So the phrase focus on the adjective. Adjective is a word. It describes the noun, that is called adjective. Fine. So here, very friendly, afraid of the dark. Friendly, afraid. The phrase focus on the adjective. Friendly, afraid. So that is called adjective phrase. Fine. Fourth one, adverb phrase or adverbial. Adverb or adverbial. Okay, adverb phrase. So the phrase focus on the adverb fast, quicker. So that is called adverb phrase. What is an adverb? Adverb is a word. It describes the verb, that is called adverb. So a phrase focus on the adverb fast, quicker. So that is called adverb phrase. The last one, preposition phrase. So preposition, the phrase focus on the preposition near, on. So that is called preposition phrase. So there are 5 types of phrases: noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, preposition phrase. Okay students, I hope you understood very well types of phrases. Fine. Now I would like to teach class. Types of classes. Are you ready? Fine. Okay. This is types of classes. Fine. Just remember, classes have a subject-verb combination. Okay, but phrase doesn't have subject-verb combination. Okay, phrase la subject-verb combination irukadu. கிளாஸில் சப்ஜெக்ட் verb combination இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறதான் கிளாஸ். ஃபைன். Classes have subject verb combination. Okay, fine. There are 2 types of classes. First one, independent class. The second one, dependent class. So independent class start from IC. Dependent class start from DC. Do you know independent class is also called main class? Dependent class is also called subordinate class. When we learn simple compound complex grammar, I would like to teach deeply main class, subordinate class. Fine. Now it is called independent class IC, dependent class DC. Fine. Here IC means independent class. Fine. I gave some example. He ate dinner. She wished him. In this sentence consists of subject, verb. So that is called class. What is independent class? Okay, fine. Subject, verb. Okay, fine. Next sentence also, she wished him. The sentence consists of subject and verb. So it's a class. That is called independent class. Fine. This is DC. DC means dependent class. The sentence, when he saw him. If you run fast. When James got home. This sentence has subject and verb class, but the sentence begins with when. If when. So it is called dependent class, also subordinate class. Fine. The dependent class, it's not a sentence. It doesn't give complete meaning. Okay, va? But independent class is a sentence. It gives complete meaning. Okay, va? அவன் எப்போ பார்த்தோனோ அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகலை. நீ ஓடுனா, if you run fast, if you study very well, நல்லா படிச்சா அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகலை. So start with the when, if, when. That is called dependent class. Fine. Next, DC plus IC is equal to complex sentence. That is called dependent class plus independent class. Okay, va? That is complex sentence. So when we learn simple, compound, complex, I would like to teach complex sentence. Fine. Now answers, we have to combine. Now dependent class and the independent class in a same sentence. Okay, va? When James got home, he ate dinner. In this sentence, எப்போ ஜேம்ஸ் வீட்டுக்கு போனானோ அவன் டின்னர் சாப்பிட்டான். ஓகேவா? ஸோ when James got home, that is called dependent class because start with when. He ate dinner, it is called independent class, subject and verb. Fine. Next, IC plus DC. IC independent class, DC dependent class. Here, please send me the report tomorrow if you can. நாளை முடிஞ்சால் தயவு செய்து இந்த ரிப்போர்ட் வந்து நாளைக்கு எனக்கு சென்ட் பண்ண அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். Here, please send me the report, subject, verb, that is called class, independent class. The next class start with if you can, that is called dependent class. Notice students, DC, that is dependent class, starts begins with if, unless, when, while, before, after, whenever, because, as. So dependent class start with these words. Okay students, I hope you understood very well in this session types of phrases and types of classes. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.